Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn how to insert checkbox in Excel within a 7 minute. Less than 7 minutes, we will see insert a checkbox. So today we will talk about what is checkbox and what is the use of that, in which scenario you can use it and what is benefit of that. Okay, so let's start. How to insert a checkbox in Excel within a 7 minutes. Okay, so when you use a spreadsheet to manage information, adding a checkbox seems like overkill. You can just type X, 1 or 2 or anything instead of check mark. Okay, but if many people will be using a spreadsheet, or you are concerned about inserting a checkbox is a nice touch. Okay, and once you have added that box, you can connect the cells to other cells to do some cool things. So we will see with the example. We have a data like this: product, price and order. Okay, and we would require a sum of order which is placed. Okay, so you can type like this also, x1 or na, but it is not so cool. Okay, so let's start how to insert checkbox in Excel. So first, before we start, we should know where it is checkbox and where it comes from. So first you need to go to developer, and here if you do not have a developer in your Excel file, go to file, and here is option called more, option, and custom ribbon, and here you have to developer option and OK. So you will get the developer button. Now suppose go to developer, insert, and this is the checkbox. Click on that and insert wherever you want. Okay, so I need here, so I'll click here, drag it. I don't require the text. Okay, now I'll copy this or press Ctrl and drag it all the cell. Okay, you can select all this to rearrange. Go to format, align to center. Okay, you can align to center. Okay, cool, but it will not work until you give the reference. Just right click for giving the reference, format control, the control, you have to give the reference. I'll give the E2. For this one, I'll give E3. For this, I'll give E4. And here, E5. And here, E6. And now The last one E7. So if you tick mark here, see the true, and if you untick, that will go on false. Okay. So if you see, if I tick mark here, that will change the color. We'll show you how to do it. I have already done this. So first I will clear this, then you will come to know. Okay. So it's very simple. And if you don't want to show in your data this one, just hide this. Okay. And by the time I'll unhide this, and here if you want to summarize only the order place, I'll put the formula, simple formula, sum if, sum range, and the criteria range is this, and criteria would be true. Simple. Now you can hide this. Okay. See the magic. You can count also. Ordered count. Simple. Count if, range, and before putting the range I have to unhide this. Count if range I'll put the count ifs. Okay. The criteria range, criteria would be true. Close. Okay. Now I'll hide this. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Okay. Now we'll see checkbox with conditional formatting. Suppose if I tick mark this, the color should be changed. So it's very simple. You just select A2, go to home, conditional formatting, new rule, and here use a formula to determine which cell to format. And here I'll put E2. Okay. Okay. And here you can format cell. So I'll choose the green color. Font is bold. Okay. And I'll drag it as a format only. So let's see the magic. If I tick mark the color, and if I untick, the color gone. Okay. So this is how to insert a checkbox in Excel, and it is very useful. You can use it in your report, And I hope you understood how to do this. And if you have any query regarding this, you can email me. I will solve your query. Thank you so much. Have a great day.